right, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. Windshield edition. So we got windshields being replaced today. Look at these big old cracks. Big old, woo! Look at that. So they're gonna do them at the same time. This is for the Scion. That's exciting. This is the third one for the Scion. Crazy. And who are you guys with? Who are you guys with?
The Glass Man.
The Glass Man. All right. And they came to our house. This is a long drive for some people. Yeah, I'm trying not to get in their way, but yeah, look at the damage here. Woo! So we're excited. And give these guys a look up. They'll be in the description below if you need a windshield replacement. So, oh yeah, pretty cool. Don't break the windshield. No, just kidding.
Again?
I'm sure that's a normal joke for them guys. Most people probably don't hang out here with these guys. So.
No.
So let them do their thing. Oh yeah. And this one's a little more difficult because it's got sensors and it's got this contraption in the front. Not really sure what that's about, but you got crack going all the way down. Big one right there. Big one right there. The only problem is the Scion, it's right in your face. We're gonna do a speed camera, so I'm just gonna put the speed camera out here and watch them do their process. Well, looks like we got the new windshields in. Look at that. By the experts. Oh yeah. Look at that. We're cleaning it. This is all about the process right here. With this being our third windshield for this car. And these guys did the windshield when we bought this car too. Their sticker was up in the right. That's how we found them. So, and who are you with again?
The Glass Man.
The Glass Man. So we'll have their I'll put their number up and pop it up, and you guys give them a call if you're in the Salt Lake area. Orem, Provo, Eagle Mountain, Saratoga Springs, woody woo. So anything else you guys want to say? You love doing this?
Yep, absolutely love doing this.
It's so professional. Awesome. This is a Scion, no cracks, brand new windshield. Yeah. All right, we're in the Jeep. Look at that, no cracks, no cracks. Woohoo! Got about 3 days to let that cure to as well. Great job, boys. All right, we'll give these guys a holla, and I hope you enjoy the video. Give us a like, share, and subscribe. Guess what? It's free, and you get to see all the videos that I make.